And I think, Ryan, we might want to have you come back when we left, because you actually need more than 30 minutes.
Yeah, I didn't want to. I was trying to cram it in 30, and I was like, there's no way. Like, so.
So, yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
This dovetails actually really nicely. I like what Ryan's done. I actually want to use his work. I think it's great. How do I present my screen up here? Fingers crossed. Let's just hope it works.
Yeah.
This is fantastic. I love Ryan's work. I actually want to build another API and distribute it out to the community and base it off of his work. So I'm going to go find it. It should be easy. Here's Google. LabVIEW Memory Manager. I just so happen to remember it was called LabVIEW Memory Manager. So that was pretty handy. I don't remember the name of the guy who actually presented it. So let's go looking. I see some NI help. Oh, this is interesting. Am I going to get my hands on Ryan's work? Oh, this sounds interesting. All right, where's my package? Releases. I don't know where it is. All right, must be on the Tools Network. All right. Oh, come on. I know where it is. No, I know where it is. This is good. It's going to be in VI Package Manager. Oh, damn it. It's going to be an NI Maybe it's in Lava. How do we use each other's work? This, I think, is the biggest problem above any API, above anything that LabVIEW can offer. We are facing a critical crisis as a LabVIEW community. So here's what I want to position. Myself and a couple of other individuals are starting a nonprofit organization to help solve this exact problem plus 2 additional problems. The name of the nonprofit organization is GCentral. Now, put in the next 2 minutes, I can't do near justice to this, so maybe during the next presentation of LAF we can go through it. Here, GCentral is going to be the name of this thing. Hopefully the idea is to provide a central location where you can find the code, that you can finally find the resources that are out there. Okay, what's our vision? A LabVIEW community, us making the best version of ourselves. In other words, we need to start making our own tool sets and not only rely on NI to give us what we need, we've got to be able to improve ourselves. And I can't find your work. I can't extend your work. You can't find my work. We can't make the best version of ourselves. This is ridiculous. We need to be able to improve our own capability through collaboration. I want to use Ryan's work, and I can't. Give me a break. All right. Who are we? So GCentral. First off, we're for programmers. That's all of us who need to find, share, or collaborate on a reusable G code or some software engineering tool. We're going to be a nonprofit organization that provides a platform for G code packages and collaboration resources. And finally, GCentral is going to be completely independent and driven by community experts. This is not an NI initiative. This is not a JKI initiative. JKI has done a lot. This is not sponsored by it. This is independent. This is not run by anybody but us as the community. All right. More specifically, there's a small group of people that's working on this right now. It's that list. And you'll notice a couple of people are in the room. Cool. Here's the vision. It's all about us working together. This nonprofit organization that I'm absolutely bulldozing through right now, it's all about connecting people from all different areas and expertises so that we can use each other's code in a reliable way. Ryan has done some great work. Wouldn't it be a shame if his APIs and all of the thought he's put into it goes unused because you can't find it? That's ridiculous. So we need to connect everybody together. And the central member, the central beneficiary of GCentral is the community member. I want to harp on that. It's not a website. It's not a package manager. It's about your experience and how you find code. So we'll use whatever technology we need to make that a reality. Recasting that a different way, This is what GCentral is all about, these 4 things. How do we find and discover each other's code? How can you actually give your code to the community in a real and easy way? And then how can we develop code together? So we are now over time. The rest of this presentation is walking through that, just out of curiosity. How many people are like, oh my God, I want to hear what Chris has to say? Is anybody like, yeah, I don't know. I've heard it twice.
I mean, honestly, I think this is a fantastic idea, but I'm pessimistic about its implementation. So, I mean, the details are critical, right? You know, like, what's to keep this from being one more on the list? You just listed all these different places that might find someone's code.
That's right.
You want to put another one out there.
That's right.
Otherwise, it's different.
He doesn't want to host any content. He wants to be the meta site that wants to lead back to.
Like
it
an
doesn't become another repository, he's a directory.
Yeah.
That's right.
A lot of that usually depends on critical mass for networks. How many people participate to trade?
And that's why he was here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add, well, Chris is going to log into the thread where we are suggesting topics, and he's going to post that he's going to talk about GCentral. And now that you have enough of a teaser, everyone in this room is actually going to go and give him a kudos.
That's right.
And then Ryan is going to go and post in the forum that he's going to come for an encore presentation where he can go into more details and answer questions about, and then you all are going to be.
You bet.
Very good.
Sounds like good?
If Brian wants to do it.
I would like to go on.
He's like, I'm not coming to these things.
I'd like to go on record as that is the shortest presentation I've ever given. You're welcome.